Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the LARQ Hydration Tracker for LARQ Bottles app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. LARQ is a hydration tracking app designed to work with LARQ's smart self-cleaning water bottles. The app connects via Bluetooth to automatically log how much water you drink throughout the day. It also helps you set personalized hydration goals based on your body metrics, lifestyle, and activity level. The app is available on both iOS and Android and integrates with health platforms like Apple Health for a more complete wellness overview. The app's main feature is automatic hydration tracking. Your connected LARQ bottle records each sip and syncs it to the app. You can also view hydration statistics, receive smart reminders to drink water, and track daily, weekly, or monthly progress. The app provides insights to help improve your habits and encourages consistent hydration through notifications and data visualizations. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, accurate tracking when the bottle is synced properly, and motivating hydration insights. The reminders are helpful for people who forget to drink water throughout the day, and automatic tracking removes the need for manual input. Integration with LARQ's UVC bottle technology makes it a seamless part of a wellness routine. However, there are some drawbacks. The app relies heavily on Bluetooth syncing, and some users report occasional connectivity or syncing delays. Manual tracking is limited, so without a compatible LARQ bottle, its usefulness decreases. In addition, hydration suggestions may not always feel personalized enough for some users. In summary, the LARQ app may be worth using if you already own a compatible LARQ bottle and want automatic hydration tracking, progress insights, and smart reminders. However, if you prefer manual tracking or do not use LARQ smart bottles, the app might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.